Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change name in honor of kings. To change your name in honor of kings, start by tapping your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, look for the settings button at the top right. It's a small drop-down icon. Tap that, then select the info option. Here you'll see an edit button right next to your current name. Tap on it to begin the name change process. Keep in mind, you'll need a name change card to proceed. These cards allow one name change every 15 days, so choose wisely. After entering your new name, press confirm, and your change will be saved. If you don't have a name change card, you can purchase one in-game. And that's how you change your name in honor of kings, quick and easy. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.